Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. I've just been asked a question by Paul about our 9-piece wobble bar extension set, the i4257. His question is, what is a wobble bar? So I'll show you. The 9-piece wobble extension bar set, the i4257, comes with 9 pieces in a variety of sizes from 1/4 inch to 3/8 to 1/2 inch. And then in a variety of lengths from 2 inches up to 9 3/4 inches for the very long one. But the question is, what is a wobble bar? So what is a wobble bar? So this is the 1/2 inch by 5 inch extension wobble bar. With a normal extension bar, you put the socket on the end and it stays dead straight. But what if you need a little bit more of an angle? So that's when you need a wobble bar. So if your socket was maybe, so this is a socket for spark plugs, you need to get in a little bit further, or you need a little bit of an angle. You can see that's no longer dead straight. You can get a little bit of an angle to get in to where you need to. If you do want it straight, you can just push it on a bit further, it clips, and now it's locked into place of being straight. And that is in essence what a wobble bar does. It allows you to have a little bit of an angle. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.